All right, I got these amazing dinosaur treat boxes right here. These are perfect for maybe some sort of children's, like a child's birthday party, some sort of dinosaur themed party, or maybe like maybe in the classroom, some sort of event at school or something. These are perfect for treats. You can put whatever you want in here. Nice gift vibe at the end of an event, or even during an event, whatever you want to use these for. Nice quality paper material. As you can see, there's a bit of a gloss. This is one of them. There's a total of, depending on how much you order, you can either get 12 or 24. And this is one of the patterns. So a nice dinosaur pattern right here. I already put two of them together. They're both the same pattern. I'm going to put together another pattern just to show you. This is the pattern of this one. I'm going to show you how to do it. So basically what we're going to do is we want to fold it in. So we want to take this in, fold it in, sort of open it up. So it's opened up like that. Now what we want to do is the bottom. We're going to fold this side in as well as this side right here. Then we are going to push, you can see there's that side and that side. We're going to push this side in, down here like that. So that's on the inside there. Then we're just going to push this side into the middle and you're good to go there. So that's going to hold up at the bottom. That's how you hold that up. Now, what we'll do here is we will take one of these big sides, fold it into the center like so. And once that's folded in, there's also a crease that goes across the middle area. So we're going to pull that up and fold that back. And then we're just going to do that to the other side. And actually, we could fold that back before even. So fold that back first. And then we'll fold it forward. Now we fold both of them forward. So it's sort of a handle vibe right now. And we're just going to push it through right there. And as you can see, there's sort of this thing that you push through. It just comes right out. We'll do that to the other side as well. Push it through. This comes out, pull it out. You got the nice dinosaur treat box, got the other pattern right here. So you got these two different patterns. Perfect for a child's, birthday party, dinosaur themed event, something at school, whatever. Amazing. Highly recommend.